Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Made in Prudentville, Michigan, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener.
So my mom and I both have done our research too.
Oh yeah, that's all right here. We're going to sharpen a cat knife here. Yeah. Verify it's dull. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. What I got here is 2 honing steels. They're made to squeeze back on your knife's original edge. Works the original bevel back in your blade. You're taking very little to no steel off the knife itself, yet you can take a knife back into shaving sharp. Quick and simple. Hit them on a piece of leather when you're done. Well-made knife will get shaving sharp. Feel the difference that made. Works, don't it? It works. I got these today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Alright. A little oil on the rods help. Any kind of oil works, just a drop every now and then. Yes, sir. And you've seen how I did them serrates. It does all of them.
And they don't do this either.
Thank you, appreciate it. If you need more directions, I got my website above my name on the handle. I do live videos there too. Anyone you like. Hi, I'm Paul Block and I make the Block Knife Sharpener. My knife sharpeners are very simple knife sharpeners to use. You can sharpen all your kitchen knives, a lot of your garden tools, hunting knives, pocket knives, you name it. Lots of videos on YouTube to show you how to sharpen different knives, and I'll give you the basics on it real quick. Our sharpeners are the only sharpeners that flex like that. That's a patented flex, so it follows the knife's original cutting edge. What I have is 2 simple butcher steels. They crisscross each other, and they're made to hone your knife. So when you put these on the edge of a counter and you squeeze your blade in there and draw through, it takes all the guesswork out, puts the original bevel back in the blade. You're not trying to tear metal off or change your angles. You're putting that original edge back in, which is good. Original lasts longer, and you don't devalue good, well-made knives. I can also sharpen all your steak knives, bread knives, even the electric knife. My sharpeners will sharpen any style serrated knife you own. I've tried them on every style there is by now. Roll them in the middle. On this side it makes it vibrate, chatters through the teeth. You're hitting one side of the tooth going in, the back side coming out. I've done Kershaw's, buck knives, the little square tooth on them, Spydercos, Benchmades, you name it. Block Sharpener will sharpen every serrated knife you own. It will not damage the blades. It will take them much sharper than brand new, I'll guarantee that. You can sharpen your scissors, lots of different things. Anything in the butcher block you can sharpen. Machetes, katanas. Give us a try. Block Sharpener. We pay shipping, money back guarantee, and they come in many colors. All colors work the same. I believe nowadays we got something like 32 different colors. A few are limited edition. And always use a little bit of oil on the rods. Cooking oil, honing oils, gun oil, it all works good. Oil helps hone them up a little bit sharper, a little bit smoother. Block Sharpener, we're American made, we'll sharpen every blade.